Hello everyone back. I am back to you with a new video release to our talented web programming tutorial series. Hope as you had enough time, you might have experimented with the previous lesson. So today I am going on to demonstrate you the way to create a full width responsive image slide in the home page of your website. So let's start with me. I'm going to place the image slider at the top of the page after the top neighbor here. So now I define our codes for the container this way. As the image slider needs to be taken the full width of the screen, I use container full section like this. Write this code structure with me after the session of for the top navbar starting with container fully class. Now the row class should be defined. Again, a column breaking class followed by the row. I say the browser to capture all the 12 columns for the each size of the media device, specifying the 12 to each size. Now again, the row class. Here, I just write a single line to show you the area where the slide is taking place in the page. Bootstrap has already given us default set of image sliders, so we need to find one from the Bootstrap official website. For that, just follow me. I search for Bootstrap for full responsive slider in the search bar like this. Then I go to the first link. The link is placed in the description for your reference. Now you can select your choice of slider from this page. The slider I'm going to use is this one with sliding arrows in the bottom. You can also pick the slider with the section for caption as well. Now I copy the code for my selection of slider and paste it inside of the row div I defined in Sublime. Now I align the code pattern like this for a clear idea. Here you see the slider has taken place as expected, but without images. Now I specify a style attribute in the main div for the image slider and specify width to 100%, then again height to auto. Now you can see image sliding icon centered and margin to the best view of the screen. Now I'm going to place URLs of images to the src attributes in each image tag. I have sorted my images for this slide in the slide folder in the root directory of the website. I copy the source path for the image and paste it in the SRS attribute in the first image tag. Now I change / to / and source URL for the image. Now I just save run to show you the result with the hard refresh. Yeah, great. Now we show the image slider took place in the page in the way we expected. Now I add the URLs of other image to be shown in the slide in the SRS attributes of other image tag. Now I copy the JavaScript function from the bootstrap slider page and create a new function in our home page. This function should be run in the event of page load. The script tag should be opened before the ending body tag for the function. So I write a code for the page load function like this and wrap the JavaScript function for the slide inside of it. Now I save then run and show you the result. Now we see it works fine with an auto playing option too. Here I give the slider an interval of 2000 to make the slider run even faster. For that, I copy that option and paste it inside of the function as an option like this. I separate the option with comma and give another option called keyboard, which enables this slider to run on keyboard arrow key events as well. For the keyboard option should be set the true with single quote as its string. We should not to put a comma for the final option or argument in any method as it indicates the end of the options. But you can pass many numbers of options by separating with commas in the method. Here you see the slide works fine with new option and now I'll show you the proof on how keyboard shortcuts work for your slider. Here I take the screen keyboard just to show you the proof, but you can still use your physical keyboard for the functioning for the slider too. Wow, how cool this slider is. You see the slider function with arrow keys on the keyboard too. If you need more images to be added to the slider surpassing the defaults, just follow the steps I show you now. In the indicator section, the arrow key for the image should be specified. Then the div for the carousel item should be copied and pasted at the end of the carousel inner div. There you can assign back a URL of your images as the next image. Please note that if the image is the fourth one, the arrow key should be 4 as the arrow start with 0. In the same way, any number of images can be added. Now you see the result. This image slide is also responsive for each device. You can see how the view is changed as per the size of the media device to fit best to the screen view. As I need to have some spacing after slider here, I add another container section and just give it a height just to separate the body section from the footer. Just follow me. Take our same code structure for the section but with container class instead of container dash fully class. I just give the container a height of 190 pixels. Yes, it's worked fine now. Fine now. Now you see how fantastic this bootstrap for full width represent slide is. Furthermore, you don't need to write too many code lines to create a slider. Instead, take a default slider from Bootstrap 4 and customize it as per you need, as how we already did. Now I am ending today's session. Hope you learned the way of creating a slider using Bootstrap 4. If you like our video, don't forget to press the like button below. See the description section for the more related materials for this demonstration. To receive notification on our next video release, please don't forget to press the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you for watching our video. Stay safe and healthy. Goodbye. Goodbye.